Hi everyone. Thank you so much for checking out my Patreon. I'm Neil Balthaser, and if you watched any videos on YouTube about Class B or B plus camper vans, then you've probably seen some of my reviews and comparisons. I created my channel in 2017 because I couldn't find a single video on YouTube that gave me an honest review of the RVs that I was interested in. There were dealer videos and manufacturer videos and even some channels that looked like independent reviews, but that I later found out were sponsored channels by the manufacturers. Now, it's a full-time job for me, and honestly, advertising on YouTube doesn't pay the bills, not even close. So I've decided to humbly ask for your support to help me continue to do what I love to do, which is create honest reviews about camper vans. So Patreon is a platform that allows you to support me as a creator with a recurring monthly pledge. You can start your support at $5 a month, but you can also go up higher to a $20 a month buyer's level, which is designed for all you folks in the market right now to buy an RV. And this level gets you more access to me through a monthly buyer's live stream where we'll all share our experiences on makes and models and answer each other's questions. And if you want personal access to me monthly, you can go to the super uber high $100 per month producer level, which gives you a 30-minute monthly one-on-one call with me where I can give you buying advice or help you with dealer negotiations, or if you want, we can just talk about the weather. Really, anything. It's just your guaranteed personal access to me. So what am I going to do with your support? The first thing is continue to make YouTube reviews and comparisons. Your support is helping me keep the hard drives humming and the cameras rolling. But I've got bigger plans too, like new series ideas and live streams and hitting the road to visit RV manufacturers, custom shops, and RV shows. I know a lot of you want me to do that. I mean, this is your channel and we're going to figure all this out together. It's been a fantastic ride so far, and I know in my heart that it's only going to get better. So I want to humbly say thank you for all your support, and thank you for making Ultramobility a reality. I guess that's it. Did I cover everything? I'm not making enough money on YouTube. I need your support. The future looks bright. We're going to create great things together. I think that's about it. Why didn't I just say that from the beginning? I don't know. Anyways, I got to get back to work editing next week's video. So I'll see you in that video soon. Take care. Bye-bye.